Hello students. So 8th class students, welcome again to my class. So thank you all for liking and subscribing my channel. So today I am starting your fourth chapter, that is exponents and power. So I am giving you a little bit of introduction of this chapter. So if you are writing a number 3 here and 6 here, now how to read this number? So the number which is down, it is known as a base. Okay, so then the number which is up, it is known as an exponent. So we have to read this as 3 raised to the power of 6. Okay, so this one is the base and this one is the exponent. So if 3 to the power of m is there, how to write this? 3 into 3 into 3 into m times. Okay, now here 3 to the power of 6 means you have to write these 3 6 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so why we have to learn this exponents and power? So what are the uses of this in our daily life? So the distance from the sun to the earth is very large. Okay, so for knowing the distance, we will use this exponents and power. Okay, so these exponents and powers are ways used to represent very large numbers or very small numbers in a simplified manner. For example, if we have to show 10 to the power of 9, okay, so we are writing 10 9 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here I am writing 10 9 times. Okay, so we can write in the simplest way, we can write it as 10 to the power of 9. Okay, so here what is the base? Here 10 is the base, and what is the exponent? Here 9 is the exponent. So we can read it as 10 raised to the power of 9. Okay, so our next topic in this is powers with negative exponents. So the exponent is, if the exponent is negative, what you have to do, how you have to write it, we are going to learn. So for this, let us recall the following patterns from the earlier classes. Okay, so what is 10 to the power of 3? It is 10 into 10 into 10. So it is 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are, it is 1000. So 3 zeros we have to write, then 1. Okay, so now 10 to the power of 2. So what is 10 to the power of 2? It is 10 into 10. 10 2 times we have to take. It is 10 tens are 100. So now what you have to do, you have to take this 1000. Okay, so you have to take this 1000 here by 10. So as the exponent decreases, here the exponent is decreased, here 3 is there, here 2 is there. As the exponents decrease by 1, so the value will become 1/10 of the previous value here. Okay, so if we cancel this 0 and this 0, again also it will become 100 only. So next one is 10 to the power of 1. So 10 to the power of 1 means it is 10 only. So 10 means is equals to, again you have to take this 100 by 10. Okay, here we have taken 1000 by 10. Okay, for 100 we have to take one more 0 and by 10. For 10 we have to take one more 0 and by 10. Again if we cancel this and this, the answer is 10 only. Okay, so now 10 to the power of 0. So what is 10 to the power of 0? If you write 10 by 10, okay, now you have to take this answer. We have taken this answer here, this answer here. Now you have to take this answer here, 10 to the power of 0 means. So if you take 10 by 10, again you have to take by 10 by 10. Okay, here the number is decreases, now the exponent is decrease here. So what you have to do, 0 0 gets cancelled, so the answer is here 1 only. Okay, so the answer is here 1 by 1 means the answer is 1 only. So 10 to the power of 0 is 1. So always when you write a to the power of 0, b to the power of 0 or x to the power of 0, the answer is 1 only. Okay, so if 10 to the power of 0 is there, don't write 0. The answer is 1. Okay. So now what is 10 to the power of minus 1? So what is 10 to the power of minus 1? How you have to write it? You have to take 1 by 10. Okay, for 10 to the power of minus 1, you have to take 1 by 10. For 10 to the power of minus 2, you have to take 1 by 10 to the power of 2. Okay, so these minus 2 will become 2 and you have to take 1 by. Okay, so don't write 10 to the power of minus 2 means 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. Okay, now 10 to the power of minus 3 means again 1 by 10 to the power of 3. So if negative power is there, you have to write in this way. Okay, so 1 by 10 means it is 1 by 10 into 10 is, it is 100. Okay, so we can write this 1 by 100 as 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. Okay, we can write this as 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, and again we can write it as 1 by, here I am writing 1 by 10 divided by 10. So you know how to do the division in fractions. 1 by 10 divided by 10 means 1 by 10 into, you have to write the reciprocal of this. Okay, so you have to change the denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. This you have to write as again 1 by 10. Okay, so if no number is there in the denominator, you have to take 1. It is 1 by 10 into 1 by 10. It will become 10 by 1 will become 1 by 10. So the answer is 1 1s are 1, 10 10s are 100. 1 by 100 only. Again 1 by 100 is 1 by 10 cube. And again 1 by 100 is 10 to the power of minus 3. So sometimes it is given in the objective. Okay, 1 by 100. What is 1 by 100? So the options will be 10 to the power of minus 3 and 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, so what you have to do, 1 by 10 cube you have to do, and the answer is 1 by 100. Okay, so this is how you have to do this pattern. Okay, so now let's study the next pattern. So how to write this 8? 8 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2. It is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So now 8 by 2. Okay, now we are taking here 8 by 2. By 2 we have to take. Okay, 8 by 2 means it is 2 1s are 2, then 2 4s are 8. It is 4. 4 means you can write 4 as 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so here we will take 2 to the power of 1. Okay, so now what is 2 to the power of 1? It is 2 only. Here how we have to take? Here we have to take 4, this 4 here, by 2 again. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. It is 2. Okay, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 1 only. So here again what we have to do? Again these 2 we have to take, then again by 2. So again we will cancel it. 2 1s are 2 1s are. It is 1. So now what we have to take? 2 to the power of 0. Here we have taken, we have to decrease the exponent. Here we have taken 2 to the power of 3. Here we have to take 2 to the power of 2. Here 2 to the power of 1. Now here 2 to the power of 0. So what is 2 to the power of 0? It is 1. Again we have to take minus 1. Minus 1. Then minus 2. We can take minus 3, minus 4 also. How you have to write this? As here we have got the answer 1. 1 by 2. So now how to write this? 1 by 2 to the power of 2. Again if 2 to the power of minus 3 is there, 1 by 2 to the power of 3. Like this the pattern goes on. Okay, so like this you have to remember this pattern. So before starting the exercise, I just want you to know the laws of exponents. So there are some laws which are very useful in your exercise. Okay, so the first law is a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. So this we have studied now. So a to the power of minus, if minus is there you have to write 1 by. Okay, 1 by a to the power of m. So again, second law is a to the power of m by a to the power of n. So if by is there, okay, if base is same and by is there, how you have to write a? You have to write first, then you have to write exponents as m minus n. If by is there, you have to take minus. Okay, you have to take this a and this a as common, and you have to write this exponents as m minus n if by is there. Okay, so now a to the power of m, here bracket is there, then exponent is n. How you have to write? If bracket is there, what you have to do? You have to do the multiplication here. Base you have to keep like this only, then you have to multiply the exponents. M into n, it is mn, a to the power of mn. So next, fourth one is a to the power of m into b to the power of m. So is equals to, you have to write a into b. What is a into b? It is ab. Here m is their exponent. Here also m is the exponent. So what you have to do? You have to take here m common. So like how we have taken here a common, you have to take here m common. Okay, so after explaining this, you try this in your books, then only you can catch it. Okay, so a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So how you have to write this? A to the power of m is here, a to the power of n is here. So again you take a common. So when the bases are same, power should be added. Okay, the exponent should be added. So here the bases are same. So here you have to write m plus n. Okay, so again a to the power of m by b to the power of m. So this law is very important. This is useful for your next class also. Okay, for it is there in your 9th class also, it is there in your 10th class also. Okay, this law is very important. So if the bases are same, power should be added. This law is very important. So a to the power of m by b to the power of m is equals to, now what you have to do? A by b you have to write a by b whole to the power of m. Okay, so now here also m is there, here also m is there. You have to make this m as common. Okay, so you have to separate. Here we are separating it. Okay, sometimes it is given a by b whole to the power of m. How you have to write it? A to the power of m by b to the power of m. So now what is a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of n? It is m is equal to n. Here these a gets cancelled. M is equal to n. So here the same is there. Here also, here also. So here into is there, here is equals to is there. If into is there, if product is there, what you have to do? M plus n is equals to a. There you have to write m is equals to n. So now next law, 1 by a to the power of minus n. Again you have to write a to the power of n. Here the same law is there here also. Okay, so our next law is a by b whole to the power of minus m is equals to b by a whole to the power of m. So minus m is there, means you have to write the reciprocal of this. You have to write the multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse, means you have to write denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. So this a by b will become b by a, then whole to the power of minus m is there, means you have to write m. You have to remove this minus. Why we are removing this minus? As we are making the reciprocal of this. Okay, so these laws are very important. Okay, so these laws are very useful in your higher studies also. Now we'll start exercise 4.1. So first sum is simplify and give reasons. You have to simplify it. Again you have to write the explanation also. So first bit is 4 to the power of minus 3. 4 to the power of minus 3 means, again which law we are using here? A to the power of minus m, means 1 by a to the power of m. So this law we are using here. 4 to the power of minus 3 means, again what you have to do? 4 to the power of 3. 1 by 4 to the power of 3. 1 by 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is it is 64. So the answer is 1 by 64. This is the answer. So now second one. Second one is minus 2 to the power of 7. So now here what you have to do, minus 2 to the power of minus 2 to the power of 7 means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 then 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus, again plus into minus is minus. Okay, so here the answer is minus. So first we will multiply all the symbols. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, then 64 2s are, it is 128. So the answer is here 128. Now third one. What is the third one here? 3 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3. So again what we are using here, a by b whole to the power of minus m. So we can write it as b by a whole to the power of m. This law we are using here. So what you have to do, 4 by 3 whole to the power of 3 you have to take. Okay, we are inverting it. So now 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are, it is 64 by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay, so we'll write like this in details. These 3 will write 3 times. It is 64. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So this is the answer here, 64 by 27. So now fourth bit is minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. So this is in the form of minus a whole to the power of minus a. So how you have to write this? Again we have to take 1 by. As the minus is there, we have to take 1 by minus a whole to the power of m. So now what you have to do, 1 by 3 to the power of 4. Minus 3 to the power of 4. So how you have to write it? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So here minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Plus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are, it is 81. So the answer is here 1 by 81. Okay, so these you have to take as denominator, and as the power is in minus, as the exponent is in minus, that's why we are taking here 1 by. So whenever you are taking the exponent as minus, you take 1 by. Okay, so 1 by minus a to the power of m. Okay, so it is very simple. Now you can do it, 1 by minus 3 to the power of 4. So what is minus 3 to the power of 4? It is 81. Now second sum is simplify the following. So in the second sum, first bit is 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 6. So here all the bases are same. So when the bases are same, the power should be added. Okay, so you have to write here, when the bases are same, the powers should be added. So what you have to do here, added means 1 by 2, 4 plus 5 plus 6. So the answer is here 1 by 2. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is here 1 by 2 whole to the power of 15. Okay. So now the second sum is minus 2 whole to the power of 7 into minus 2 whole to the power of 3 into minus 2 whole to the power of 4. Now here also the bases are same. So the power should be added. Minus 2 we are keeping like this. Then you have to write 7 plus 3 plus 4. So it is minus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 14. Okay. So the answer is here minus 2, raised to the power of 14. Okay. So third one is 4 to the power of 4 into 5 by 4 whole to the power of 4. So now what you have to do, 4 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4 by 4 to the power of 4. So this and this gets cancelled. So the answer is here 5 to the power of 4. So fourth bit is 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 6. So how to write this? This we can write as 1 by 5 to the power of 4 by 1 by 5 to the power of 6. So here for doing division, again what you have to do? 1 by 5 to the power of 4 into, here you have to take the reciprocal. This denominator you have to take numerator and numerator as denominator. 5 to the power of 6 by 1. So the answer is here 5 to the power of 6 by 5 to the power of 4. Now what you have to do? Into 5 to the power of 3. This we have done here. So it is 5 to the power of 3 now. So you have to take into 5 to the power of 3. So now what you have to do? So now 5 to the power of 6 minus 4. Then 5 to the power of into 5 to the power of 3. So what is 6 minus 4? So what is 6 minus 4? It is 2 into 5 to the power of 3. So when the bases are same, power should be added. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. First you have to write this 5 to the power of minus 4 as 1 by 5 to the power of 4. Then this 5 to the power of minus 6 as 1 by 5 to the power of 6. Then what you have to do? 1 by 5 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 6 by 1. Here we are taking reciprocal. So now what you have to do? 1 into 5 to the power of 6 is 5 to the power of 6 only. By 5 to the power of 4 into 1 is 5 to the power of 4 only. Into, we are taking this one here. So now what you have to do? 5. This you have to take as 6 minus 4. If by is given. This base you have to keep like this only. You have to write the power in minus. 6 minus 4 into 5 to the power of 3. What is 6 minus 4? 4, 5, 6. It is 2. 5 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 3. It is 5 to the power of 2 plus 3. When the bases are same, the powers should be added. It is 5 to the power of 5. So this is the answer. Now fifth bit is minus 3 whole to the power of 4 into 7 to the power of 4. Now what you have to do? Here the power is same. The powers, means the exponents are same here. 4 and 4. So now what you have to do? If exponents are same, means you have to multiply these bases. 3 7s are 21. It is minus 21. Here plus is there, here minus is there. Minus into plus is minus. So 3 7s are 21. Again you have to write here 4. So with which identity we are using here? Minus a into b. Here also m, here also m. It is minus a whole to the power of minus ab whole to the power of m. Okay, so this identity we are using here. Okay, third bit is simplify. Okay, you have to simplify this. Okay, in the third bit, first sum is 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2 by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 to the power of minus 1. So how you have to write is, write this 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2. Means you can read it as 3 square. Okay, here 2 square, here 3 square by, now what you have to do? Here 1 by 2 square, 2 to the power of 2. It is 2 to the power of minus 2. Again we are taking here 1 by 2 to the power of 2, means 1 by 2 square. Okay, so into 1 by 3. So this we can write as 1 by 3. So now what you have to do? 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2. Okay, 2 square into 3 square. Okay, into, in fractions what you have to do? Again reciprocal here. Into 2 to the power of 2 by 1. By 1 means no need to take it. Okay, So into 1 by 3. So now what you have to do again here, 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 2 means 2 square 2 square. Here they are, we are writing this here. Okay, then into 3 to the power of 2 into 1 by 3. So here the bases are same. Again the power should be added. It is 2 plus 2. It is 2 plus 2 into 3 to the power of 2 into 1 by 3. So now you can write it as 2 to the power of 4 into 3 square into 1 by 3. So again you can write it as 2 to the power of 4 into 3 square into 1 is 3 square by 3. So if you cancel these 3 and these 3 square, what is left here? 3 is left. Okay. So here 3 square is there, here 3 is there. Means it is 3 to the power of 1. So if you cancel here, if you cancel 3 to the power of 1 from these 3 square, 3 will be left. Again 3 to the power of 1 will be left. So if we write 3 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of 1, it is 3 to the power of 1 plus 1. It is 3 to the power of 2. So 1 we are taking here. So 1 is left here. Okay. So like this, the answer is here 2 to the power of 4 into 3. So this is the answer. So this is how you have to do this sum. So now the second sum is 4 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 1. So now what you have to do it, 4 to the power of minus 1 means you have to take it as 1 by 4 again into 1 by 3. Okay. So now divided by 1 by 6. So now what you have to do, 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 means 1 ones are, it is 1. 4 threes are 12. So in the fractions you have to direct multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Divided by 1 by 6. Now what you have to do in the fraction for division, 1 by 12 into, again you have to take the reciprocal. Okay, 6 by 1 you have to write. 1 6 are 6, by 12 ones are 12. So now what you have to do, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So the answer is here 1 by 2. Okay. So more sums are there in this chapter. We'll do next sums in my next video. Okay. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.